Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Analytics 4 tracking in Next.js step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Create a new property for Google Analytics 4 if you haven't already. Once your property is created, note the measurement ID provided. Open your Next.js project in your preferred code editor. Navigate to the directory where your project files are located. Install the necessary libraries for Google Analytics. Use the command npm install nexttag to install the nexttag package. After installation, create a new file in the pages directory called _app.js. Open the _app.js file. Import the useEffect hook from React. Import the tag library from nexttag. Include your measurement ID from Google Analytics at the top of the file. Define the tag function to send page view events. Inside the useEffect hook, add an event listener for route changes. Call the tag function when the route changes. In your _app.js, ensure you wrap your component with the analytics provider. Next, create a new file for the analytics script in the public directory. Name the file analytics.js. In analytics.js, add the script to load the Google Analytics library. Use the measurement ID to configure the library. Back in _app.js, import the analytics.js script. Add the script tag in your component return function. Final touches, check the Google Analytics dashboard for real-time data. Deploy your Next.js application. Monitor your site to ensure tracking is functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.